this hunter retard. He intentionally drives in the middle of the road, and then he even mows it for some reason.
Wait, what?
There's no motorized bikes on this walking trail.
No.
Vehicles, it says.
Well, what is that?
Oh, it's a bicycle.
It doesn't make any difference. It's motorized.
Pedestrian.
Wait, but it doesn't have a motor on it.
Pedal. Pedestrian.
Get off.
Pedal.
But it doesn't have a motor on it.
It's okay.
Doesn't make any difference. It's still movable.
Wait, so if it's a pedal bicycle, it can't be on here either?
A pedal bike, but nothing that's got.
It doesn't have a motor.
Just go.
You're attacking me, lady. Come on.
There she is! Go! Come on, Dave, go! You go first! Whoa.
You need to stop. Yes, I need to stop. Hey, stop. Stop. Is this Justin again? Yes, I've got a problem, and I'm going to keep the kids here. I asked you not to come back here. They're riding in the back. There's no motorized vehicle supposed to be back here. There's 2 of them. And in the back off of Howell Road. I left Stacy a message the other day. She didn't call me back. And the one kid I gave a warning to, and they're back here again. No, it's her voicemail. I can't take her voicemail. You know what? I'll just call the police because you're not supposed to have motorized vehicles back here, right? Okay, thank you. cannot speak either. I don't like being mean. I don't know why you did this to me. I asked you so nicely. It's not an emergency, but I was told to call this number. It's for motorized vehicles in the back. In the woods. No, you can't go anywhere. You can run over me. It's on Powell Road.
We're not deaf!
Klete idiote, svaka čast, pizda.
A co to, prywatny teren jest?
Tak!
Tak?
To jest państwowe, kurwa! Możesz tu jeździć?
A ty możesz tu łowić?
Mogę łowić!
No to łów,
No!
a ja mogę jeździć.
Proszę mnie tu nie jeździć!
No i się nie drzyj, kolego, bo nie jesteś tutaj właścicielem. Słucham?
Tak, to zaraz zadzwonię.
To dzwoń.
No! Bo na przykład razem, kurwa, ze straży, kurwa, rycerskiej.
To dzwoń.
No!
Zrobiłem ci coś?
Nie wiesz, że łowię!
Ale zrobiłem ci coś?
Ale widzisz, że łowię!
Dobrze,
No.
przejechałem cię.
No proszę mnie odjechać stąd!
Odjadę, ale nie. Proszę bardziej mniej agresywnie.
No!
Bo ja nie jestem tutaj, żeś co, bić mnie chcesz?
No nie widzisz, że kurwa, nie ma tego i już!
Zatrzymałem się czy nie?
Już!
Zatrzymałem się chyba, nie? Tu masz kamerę, zobacz, tu masz kamerę.
No i dobrze!
No.
A nie będziesz też mnie tu jeździł, jak jedziesz, kurwa, a nie, nie
Wyskakujesz agresywnie.
I już! Z tej kamery też można, kurwa, zdjąć!
Słucham?
Z kamery też można, kurwa, zgrać teraz, jak żeś popierdalał tutaj!
A tu jakiś zakaz jest?
Nie jest zakaz, ale
No
chyba
właśnie.
dzieci są małe, kurwa!
Ale dobrze, zatrzymałem się.
Jakbyś
Powiedz
człowieku
człowieku, czy ci zatrzymałem się, czy nie? Przecież zatrzymałem się, to po co się drzesz?
Gdybym nie wiedział, to by się chuja zatrzymał!
Tak, samochodu nie widziałem. Do widzenia. Miłego dnia. Bonjour. Ouh. Ouais, il arrive. De merde, putain. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Quoi? Quoi? Qu'est-ce qui... De quoi? Mais pourquoi? Je comprends pas. Ah non,
Plus jamais, plus jamais, d'accord?
bah faut mettre...
Casser les couilles, ok? On est à la chasse, c'est privé, tu fermes ta gueule et tu te casses, quoi. Pardon? Pardon? Il y a un panneau là? Il y a un panneau chez toi? Connard! Connard! Je te dis, la prochaine fois de toute façon, je suis DR. Tu vas voir, je suis DR. Je vais vous niquer les pneus, bande de connards.
Bah allez-y. Il est perché. No el bata.
Ile tu śmieci, ile tu plastiku i to tu tak będzie leżeć. Wszystkie te ekoświry nadal myślą, że no, oczywiście na tych maszynach robimy więcej szkód niż takie osoby.
Husqvarna, marszu tyczku meter.
Ne vem, res ne vem, in so kar roko pizda mater, ker sem policajt, je nema, kurac. Zdaj se ti promaknu, nema je. Vaj, koliko imaš placa, pizda ti materna, lej to no. Pička ti materna.
Bravo, pička materna.
Pallet jack. Not a pallet jack, a little dolly. Why are my intrusive thoughts telling me to hop on right here and hop off? I think I have to, right? Yeah. Bro had a rubber band around one of his toes. Ew, there's a doo-doo. Alright, let's hit this jump. Is it easy to hop up on this? It's gotta be, right? One. Oh, we got a car coming. Guess I gotta manually lift it on, since I ain't no professional. Oh my god, I'm too sore too. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Oh, this person's stopping. No, he said no. What's he saying? Don't do it. Bro, you're in the way. I'm trying to hit the jump. What's up?
Off the bridge.
Huh?
Get off the bridge, Kurt. Get off the bridge. Ain't no fucking motorcycle gonna ride up here. I have to take care of this fucking thing. You get your ass off this bridge.
Yes, sir. Hit the jump. Whee! He was not happy. He's an angry man. We'll just go off-road. He's really angry. We gotta hit it again. That one was fun. Oh, he's turning around. No way. Angry man's coming for me. Maybe he's calling the cops. That's probably what he's doing. We gotta hit it though. Woo, that was a brutal landing. Now he's driving down the trail. What's he doing? I'm gonna turn around here. I don't know these Houston crackheads that well. Is he pulling out on me? Wanna buy a hood? Your hood, sir. An angry dude in the white truck's right there. Or his truck is at least. Is he down by the boat? Yeah, his truck is parked right up there, and I want to go to the boat that's right there. Oh, he's going down to the boat. Oh, he's gonna be so mad. I better sneak by. Put it in bicycle mode. I'll start pedaling. He won't know. He's at the boat right now.
Co kurwa? Pojebało cię gadu kurwa na siebie jebę.
Jebę zaraz, kurwa na policję zadzwonię, no będziesz chuju.
Okej. Mamo, kaj ti delaš, brat moj? A? Ti bi se kar ustavil, pa pizda ti materina, ej. Si bolan, pizda, ej.